In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly harness the power of Notion AI within Google Chrome to turbocharge your productivity. First, let's ensure you have access to Notion AI, which is a crucial step before diving into all its splendid features. Open your Chrome browser and sign in to your Notion account. If you haven't already explored the impressive capabilities of Notion AI, now's your chance to unlock a truly versatile suite of tools designed to make your workflow far more efficient. Once you have Notion open, navigate to the specific page where you want to employ AI assistance. It might be a project you're working on, notes from a recent meeting, or even a brainstorming session you're preparing to kick off. Notion AI is convenient and flexible, so you can use it in any situation that requires enhanced productivity. Now on to summoning those AI features, which couldn't be easier. Simply locate and click the AI button found in your Notion interface. Alternatively, if you prefer to keep your hands on the keyboard, you can type AAI. Both methods will open up a gateway to a range of AI-powered functionalities. With Notion AI at your fingertips, you have the ability to generate text, deliver concise summaries, or conjure up a spectrum of ideas to fuel your brainstorm sessions. Whether you're generating fresh content from scratch or summarizing extensive notes into digestible insights, Notion AI adapts to your needs and helps streamline your workload. But the magic doesn't stop there. For those looking to automate routine tasks and magnify efficiency even further, consider the advantage of integrating Notion AI with various tools through an API. Platforms like Zapier can connect seamlessly with Notion, allowing you to manage tasks automatically. This is especially beneficial if you're juggling multiple projects or managing a team, as it frees up time to focus on more strategic endeavors. Setting up these automations involves establishing triggers that prompt Notion AI to generate content automatically. These triggers ensure that the right information is delivered where and when you need it without manual intervention. It's like having a personal assistant that anticipates your workflow requirements and provides the necessary solutions in real time. By familiarizing yourself with these steps and implementing the described techniques, you're positioning yourself at the forefront of cutting-edge productivity solutions. With the aid of Notion AI, you have the opportunity to not only enhance your creative processes, but also give your administrative workload a transformative boost. That wraps up our session for today. I hope you found this guide helpful and are excited to explore all that Notion AI has to offer in streamlining your tasks and boosting productivity. Keep experimenting with these features to truly customize and refine how you work.